Very good morning to all of you. This is C.H. Praveen, MSc Mathematics. Yesterday already we have discussed about the introduction of the polynomials, and today we are going to discuss about the degree of a polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called a degree of the polynomial. Highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called a degree of the polynomial. One example I will give you. See an example: 2x cube plus 5x plus 7. So first of all, it is a polynomial, and highest power of the variable. Here variable is what? Here variable is x, and here variable is x. Here variable power is 3, and here variable power is 1. So which one is the highest? Here 3 is the highest. So degree of this polynomial is 3. Degree is equal to 3. So degree of this polynomial is 3. And one more example I will give you. So p of x is equal to x square plus 7x plus 5. Here what is the highest power? The highest power of the variable is 2. So degree of this polynomial is 2. So degree is equal to 2. Here power is 2 and here power is 1. Here anything not there, so we can write x to the power of 0. So degree of this term is 0, and degree of this term is 1, and degree of this term is 2. So the highest power of the variable in this polynomial is 2. So degree of the polynomial is 2. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the types of polynomials. Now some types of polynomials are there. First one is constant polynomial, and the second one is linear polynomial, third one is quadratic polynomial, and fourth one is cubic polynomial, and fifth one is biquadratic polynomial. Now one by one we can discuss. First one is constant polynomial. What is constant polynomial? The degree of a polynomial is 0. The degree of a polynomial is 0. Then it is called as constant polynomial. One example I will give you. See 5. The degree of 5 is one polynomial. The degree of the polynomial 5 is 0. It can be written as 5 into x to the power of 0. X to the power of 0 value is 1. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5. So degree of this polynomial is 0. So then it is called as a constant polynomial. We can give so many examples: 5, 15, and 5, and 22 by 7. All the constant numbers, all the real numbers are constant polynomials only. Okay. And the next one is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means the polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. The polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. So one example I will give you. Example: 2x plus 7. 2x plus 7. The degree of this polynomial is equal to the highest power of the variable is 1. So this polynomial is called a linear polynomial. So degree is equal to 1. So the degree of a polynomial is 1. Then it is called as linear polynomial. And the next one is quadratic polynomial. The polynomial of degree 2. The polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. One example I will give you. Now 2x square plus 5x plus 7. Here the highest power of the variable in this polynomial. Here variable is what? X. Highest power is what? Here 2. And here power is what? 1. So the highest power is 2. So degree of this polynomial is 2. So then it is called a quadratic polynomial. And the next one is cubic polynomial. The polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. The polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Now example: x cube plus 5x square plus 8. This is the one example. Now here highest power is 3. Variable is x and the highest power is 3. So the highest power of the variable in this polynomial is 3. So this polynomial is called as a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means the polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. And the next one is biquadratic polynomial. The polynomial of degree 4 is called a biquadratic polynomial. For this we can give one example. 4x to the power of 4 plus 5x square plus 7x plus 9. Now in this polynomial, the highest power of the variable is 4. So in this polynomial, highest power of the variable is 4. So degree of this polynomial is 4. So degree of the polynomial is 4. Then it is called a biquadratic polynomial. So these are the some types of polynomials. Okay. Now we will discuss about the general forms of linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, and a simply polynomial. Okay. Now the general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. Ax plus b. And here a must be not equals to 0. Here a value is 0. Then this total term becomes 0. Then b is the constant. So degree becomes 0. So that is why a must be not equals to 0. And here a comma b are real numbers. Here x is the variable and a and b are real numbers and a must be not equals to 0. So degree of this polynomial is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. So the general form of linear polynomial is what? Ax plus b, where a is not equals to 0 and a and b are must be real numbers and where x is the variable. And the general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the general form of quadratic polynomial. Here when a must be not equals to 0 in this case also, and a, b, c are must be belongs to real numbers and x is the variable. So this is the general form of quadratic polynomial. And the general form of cubic polynomial, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So this is the general form of cubic polynomial. First degree 1, next degree 2, next degree 3, a, b, c, d. We have to take in order. First x square, x a constant, x cube, x square, x a constant. And here also a must be not equals to 0 and a, b, c, d belongs to real numbers. And biquadratic polynomial example is, general form is ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. And here also a must be not equals to 0. A, b, c, d, e must be belongs to real numbers. Now your degree is 4. Degree 4 means biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial general form is ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. And a must be not equals to 0 and a, b, c, d, e are belongs to real numbers. Okay. Now the general form of a polynomial with variable x is, now p of x is the polynomial with variable x is equal to, see carefully you can observe, an x to the power of n. So first n, now we have to decrease 1 plus an, now an, we have to decrease 1, an minus 1 x to the power of n minus 1, power is n. Next we have to decrease 1, n minus 1, next continuously, plus a n minus 2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus a n minus 3 x to the power of n minus 3 plus so on. Last one is plus a 0. Last term is constant, where here an must be not equals to 0. An must be not equals to 0. If an is 0, this total term becomes a 0. So that is why an must be not equals to 0. And here an comma an minus 1 comma an minus 2 comma dash dash a naught are belongs to real numbers. Okay. Now this is the general form of a polynomial with variable x. an minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 dash dash a naught are real numbers, and here an must be not equals to 0, and where x is the variable. This is the general form of a polynomial with variable x. And today's your homework is find the degree of the following polynomials. Now a, b, c, d, e. I given 5 questions. Today you can do it. Okay? And wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thank you.